Hello everyone, this is Nidhi from Crafty Pandora. Today I'll be showing you how I made this happy birthday rainbow cake topper with my Cricut machine. This is the design of the topper and I have shared it on my Design Space profile. If you would like to make this topper, then you can directly access my profile and start making this topper. I am going to leave the link in the description of this video. Just hit the make button. Here I am using pink cardstock for the rainbow. Selecting the material as medium cardstock with more pressure. Now load the mat in the machine and let Cricut do its magic. You can see it has been cut perfectly. Now cutting the other layers of the rainbow with blue cardstock, then orange, yellow, green and purple. All the colors of the rainbow have been cut and you can see how perfectly and neatly the cuts are done. Now let's cut the other parts of the topper. This is the white base of the rainbow and for this I am using a heavy cardstock. For the next base of the rainbow, I am using a gold mirror cardstock. For the clouds, I am using silver glitter cardstock. Now time to cut the happy birthday letters and few stars from golden glitter cardstock. You can see how perfectly Cricut has cut the small letters and stars. This is around a 0.3 inch star. These are the remaining pieces of the topper. Now it's time to assemble the topper. I am using double-sided tape to attach the layers of the rainbow. The double-sided tape gives a raised 3D effect to your topper and looks really nice. We'll do the same thing with the clouds also. Glitter cardstock looks really nice, so I try to use them as much as I can in all my projects. Pasting the rainbow to the golden offset with some more double-sided tape. Now attaching the last offset layer. You can see the colors are looking really nice together. Now gluing the happy birthday letters individually to the offset. Once that's done, we'll attach this to the rainbow to complete the topper. Oh, forgot these little stars. We'll glue them to the topper. You can put them wherever you like. This is the final look of the topper. All you need to do is attach a stick to it and put it on your cake. So this is the final look of the topper. I hope you liked the video. For more such topper ideas with your Cricut machine, do subscribe to my channel.